been a while since I've done this. So as promised on my last video, so we're going to discuss about the if function. So to start with, start. So how do you use if functions? So I've created tab in here, which is named as ifs function. So the data that we're going to play with is the data that is the same with the if function that we have in here. So let me just center the remark so that we can have a good visual. Okay, next. So how do we use if functions? So if you have a multiple if functions, or you have a multiple if line functions, the ifs function can simplify that. So let's take a look at the if function tab. So in here, as you can see, there are a lot of if functions in here. So you have 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 if functions. So these 4 if functions can be simplified by using the ifs function. So the syntax is already in here. So we have the name of the function, which is if. Let's pull it in. There's something missing. It's the formula. It's the equal sign. Yeah. Equal sign formula, then the name of the function, which is ifs, then the condition. Then if this condition is met, then we're going to return the return value in here. Otherwise, we're going to proceed to the next condition. This condition is met, then we're going to return the value, and then so on and so forth. So let's try it out. So in creating a formula, the first thing that we need to remember is an equal sign, and then the name of the function, ifs, and then we're going to have a reference in here. We're going to use this. So since the grade consists of a range of numbers, we're going to use a logical functions, which is the end. Then open parentheses, and then the name of the cell equals 90, comma, then the name of the cell less than or equal to 100. So if this condition is met, we're going to return value A. Next, name of logical function end, name of the cell, 80, equal to 89. And if this condition is met again, we're going to display value of B. And then end condition, then greater than or equal to 75. Next, we have less than or equal to 79. If this condition is met, we're going to return the C value. Next, lastly, since the below 74 value in here, we're going to display the letter D. So we don't need to use the logical function. We just need to click the name of the cell, then less than or equal to 74. Then we're going to display value of T. Enter. So let's try it out. Since it's 89, so this letter B, let's say 95 in here. So the expected value will be in letter A. What if we're going to use 76? So the expected remarks will be letter C. So what if 50? And the expected remarks will be letter C. Letter D, sorry. What if this is blank? Of course, since the condition in here below 74, so since this is a blank value, it is treated as zero value. So it's still letter D. What if you accidentally inputted a letter? So it will proceed an NA result, which means all of the conditions in here are false, so it will return an NA. So let's try to cater this, we're going to use if error for us to catch this kind of error. If error in here, then we're going to return a dash value or uh, value, um, let's say not a number, not a number. Oops. Okay, not a number. So it's if it's 100, then it will return back to letter A. If we're going to input a dash, then it says not a number. So let's try to copy that and then paste it in our succeeding cells. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope that you learned something in here, and I hope that you can simplify now your um, multiple if functions. So if you have suggestions or clarifications that this video might improve, then feel free to comment. Feel free to have a comment and comment below. So thank you so much, and have a great day, everyone. Bye bye.